2026 has finally started, and this year we are going to see the next big thing from Apple, which is going to be the iPhone Fold. Foldable phones have been in the market for many years at this point, but Apple seems to be playing the right card by introducing a passport-style foldable phone. This device will not try to act like a normal slab smartphone. The outer display is reported to be around 5.35 inches diagonally, while the inner display is expected to be about 7.5 inches. This kind of screen format will be much more useful for people who consume a lot of media on their phones. For example, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a more square-shaped form factor when unfolded, and while it offers a large display, it ends up providing almost the same usable screen area as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the iPhone Fold, the inner screen is expected to be much wider, which should give users a far better and more comfortable media viewing experience. It is also being reported that Apple has finally perfected its liquid metal hinge. Thanks to this new hinge mechanism, the inner display is not expected to have a visible crease, which has been one of the biggest issues with foldable phones so far. Because of this clever passport-style foldable implementation, similar to the original Google Pixel Fold, Samsung has reportedly started working on a wider version of the Galaxy Z Fold. This new model could potentially be called the Galaxy Z Fold Wide or even the Z Fold Ultra. The outer screen on the iPhone Fold will be useful for quick tasks like replying to text messages, picking up calls, or checking social media, while the inner display will be far more useful for consuming content on platforms like YouTube and Netflix. On the back, this new iPhone Fold is expected to feature a dual camera setup, and this is roughly how the phone is expected to look in real life. The back of the iPhone Fold will have two cameras, while the inner display will feature a punch hole camera. Because of this design shift, Apple is also reportedly switching to a punch hole camera system on the iPhone 18 Pro models later this year. We are not exactly sure how the cameras on this foldable iPhone will perform, but it is being reported that Apple is switching to Touch ID on the iPhone Fold. Yes, Touch ID embedded into the power button will allow users to unlock their iPhone Fold quickly and conveniently. When it comes to colors, the iPhone Fold is expected to be available in only two options, which are silver and space gray. This is going to be an extremely premium phone from Apple, packed with a lot of new technology, so the iPhone Fold will definitely not be cheap. You can expect the price to be somewhere around $2,000 to $2,400. We can also expect some interesting software features with the iPhone Fold, such as proper multitasking, which has been missing on the iPhone for many years. So that was everything we know so far about the iPhone Fold. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I will catch you in the next one.